everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you another grocery haul, and I just did a pickup from Kroger. I did the click list today, and if you've not tried that, please give that a try. Such a time saver. And okay, backstory. So this weekend I'm going scrapbooking with the girls, and you know how it is. The week gets away from you. I have my scrapbooking stuff packed, but other than that, I really have to try to crunch the rest of the stuff in. I mean, the scrapbooking stuff is the most important part. I've got more than half my clothes packed. I just got to throw necessities in there. So that'll be super simple to do later. So I needed to grab some snacks, and we cook one meal each while we're there, so it works out perfectly. You end up cooking one meal, and then the rest of the meals are cooked for you by the other girls going. So looking forward to a great weekend this weekend. But okay, so that's the backstory. So when I go scrapbooking, I always try to take a few healthy things to kind of keep me on track. You know, when you're gone for 3-4 days, it's really hard to have every meal be super on point. But what I did this time is, I do it all the time, but what I did this week is I ordered some extra snacks to kind of keep me on track, some things that may detour me from hitting things like those chocolate chip cookies that are probably going to be sitting on the table. So if you follow me on Instagram, same thing, Prep Whisperer, it's always in the link below, it's in the description box below. I'll post a couple pictures this weekend of our shenanigans while we're there. So with that said, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to get the groceries out of the bags, and then I'll show you what I got. I'll give you the points, and I'll tell you what my game plan is for the next couple of days. So wish me luck that I stay somewhat on track. I know that it's kind of like a vacation, so you are going to indulge and enjoy a few extra things that you don't normally get, but hopefully I've got a plan. So wish me luck. All right, so let me turn you around and show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is the skim milk, and this is staying here. 3 SmartPoints per cup. The following items are going to be for my pasta fagioli soup. Diced tomatoes, 0. Baby carrots, 0. I'm going to have these twisted breadsticks as a side. These are 4 SmartPoints each. I have cannellini beans and kidney beans to go in that. And also some Prego traditional spaghetti sauce. I think that one's 3. I didn't scan that one. If that's different, I'll let you know. Elbow macaroni I need for that. That is 6 SmartPoints per cup, which typically a lot of your pastas are 6 SmartPoints. Also needed some celery and some carrots and some onions, of course, for that as well. All right, so unsweetened applesauce, 0 SmartPoints. I have both the regular and the cherry, and I figured if I got a sweet craving, maybe that would help. I'm gonna try, so I'm only human. I'm also taking some water enhancers. I've got some Country Time lemonade, just the regular. I've got the Country Time lemonade pink lemonade, and then to change it up, I have some cherry Kool-Aid. I mean, who doesn't like Kool-Aid, right? So pick those up. Kind of excited to have those, just so you know. Also picked up some sugar-free coffee creamer because you're going to need coffee when you're scrapbooking all weekend. And this is 1 SmartPoint per tablespoon. Picked up a second one of those just for the house here. I grabbed some pop. So they were on sale, so I grabbed some of that for both the house, and I think I might take a 2-liter of the Diet Mountain Dew with me scrapbooking just in case I want, to have that with my dinners. Now, the 48 pack of K-Cups was on sale for $9.99, and they must have been out of the bigger packs, so they gave me 4 little packs, which is super convenient because now I can just take one of these with me scrapbooking, and they do definitely have a Keurig there, so that makes it super easy. Have a whole chicken for dinner next week. I figured I'd go ahead and grab that while it was on sale. I think it was like 69 cents a pound or something after the discount, so almost a 5-pound chicken. That's going to be fun. Grab some grapes. I'm going to go ahead and take those with me because, again, extra fruit never hurts. Also grab some bananas. I'm going to take those with me. Now, this is new to me. I mean, it's not new to me, but I mean, this is newish to me. I picked this up. I was at work one day and I was looking for something, just something, you know, sometimes you get snacky. So I ran to CVS and they had this, and I'd heard about it, but I'd never tried it before. Oh, it's so good. Like, so good. And my CVS had like individual packs. So the individual packs they had there, they were only 2 SmartPoints each. This is, because they were 0.5, they weren't a full ounce. So this aged white cheddar here, 1 ounce for 4 SmartPoints. So again, it'll be a nice salty, cheesy treat for me to have, you know, at night when we're winding down, watching a movie or whatever. The next snacks that I picked up, I'm just gonna move that out of the way. Okay, so the next snack that I picked up was some goldfish crackers. And I have these baked cinnamon graham ones. And I think I wanted the vanilla cupcake ones, but they were out. So they substituted these, which is fine. And these are 5 SmartPoints for 41 pieces. So not bad. That'll be a nice little treat to snack on. I also grabbed another sweet one. And this is the s'mores grahams. And again, these are 6 SmartPoints for 52 pieces. And side note, if you don't want 52 pieces, you could back that down. And if you only want to have 3 SmartPoints of this, you could just have a 3 SmartPoint serving. So always remember that just because the serving size says that you know, that's what the serving size is, you don't have to have a full serving size. So just wanted to like throw that out there. The next one is the baby goldfish. And these are super cute. They're super tiny, but they will give you that cheddar cheese snack, and you get 89 of them. See that? Look, 89 for 4 SmartPoints. So I love me some goldfish. I haven't bought those in a long time. All right, so the next snacks are for my husband because, of course, I cannot take all the yummy snacks with me and leave him with none. So I got him some potato chips, both the wavy and the classic regular ones. And I've tried these Kroger brands, and believe it or not, they're really good. I don't know why I never tried them before. I was always a Lay's girl, but I'm telling you, these Kroger ones, super good. So I highly recommend those. So I also got him his favorite chip dip. Oh, 5 SmartPoints, 5 SmartPoints, 3 SmartPoints for, I think, 2 tablespoons. Yes, 2 tablespoons, 3 SmartPoints. Just in case you were wondering, again, leaving those here with him. I also grabbed him some chili cheese Fritos, and trust me, I over set him up for snacks. And his favorite Doritos, taco flavor. So side note on the taco flavor, do not like these at all. These can sit around the house. They could be 12 bags in the house, and I would not touch them. So these are a super safe food for me to have, for him in the house that I won't touch. Grabbed some of these tortilla chips. They were on sale $1.25 or maybe $1. So I grabbed those because we like to have chips and salsa from time to time, or I could just use them in a recipe. They also had brownie mix on sale. So sometimes the grandkids are here and I just don't keep a lot of the stuff on hand, but they were $1 a box, so I went ahead and picked them up. And the mix itself is 5 SmartPoints, so I can change that up with the ingredients that I add into it and try to keep it low. So I'll be kind of playing with those to see how low I can get them. And I know that in the fall, sometimes I mix it with the pumpkin, the canned pumpkin, pure pumpkin. And that works out real well, and then it just comes out to be the 5 SmartPoints. So there's that. Also got my husband a sweet snack, some Nutty Buddies bars. And if you've ever enjoyed Little Debbie snacks, so good. But I will not be partaking in these because 2 of them are 14 SmartPoints. 1 of them is 7 SmartPoints. Totally not worth it for me. I'd rather munch down on those goldfish crackers. Grab some more of that hillbilly bread, and this one, I went ahead and scanned this today because I heard that some of the foods are coming up different when you scan them, so I thought I would go ahead and scan everything today. 2 SmartPoints for 1, 3 SmartPoints for 2 slices. So still one of our favorite breads here. Needed some English muffins for my husband's breakfast sandwiches, 4 SmartPoints for those. Needed some sliced cheese, and normally I get Velveeta, but these were on sale, so 2 SmartPoints per slice, not bad. So I have those for my husband's sandwiches and his egg sandwiches as well. They had a small bottle of ibuprofen on sale for $1. I know, $1. So I like to have the little tiny bottles for my purse. You know, I keep one sometimes in my car, and at least I have them with me when I need them. So $1, I'll throw them in my scrapbook bag, so at least I have those with me when I'm going. And then school supplies. School supplies are back. So I picked up one pad of paper because sometimes I need to make notes, or, you know, I run out of things while I'm scrapbooking. So pad of paper always comes in handy. So since I saw it, I just went ahead and threw it on my order. All right, so that is my grocery haul this week. I know it's not a typical WW grocery haul, but I figured I would just show you what my plan was for the weekend. Wish me luck. And again, check out Instagram if you want to see what I'm doing. As always, if you want to see more of these grocery hauls this week, just put Kroger in the comments so that I know to keep bringing you these when I do the larger grocery hauls. So with that said, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.